is truly real, then I must have breath to live. Yet I meet sorrow that clouds my heart, pain that never fades away. Born into hardship and tears, I must endure the weight of grief. My weary heart grows faint and lost, not wishing to go on. How can this pain ever heal? This life feels like the wind, passing softly once, then gone. It flies away and never turns back, leaving only one brief glimpse, like a dream that fades at dawn. Its sadness lingers on and on. No matter how deep the ache inside, I give my soul to this fragile life, hoping one day the light will come, brighter than the days before. So I keep my heart still waiting.